to participate in this activity tonight. So put your hands together for me. Ibokelen. Yeah. Queen. Yeah. Queen. Yeah. Question. Yeah. I can say with your voice. I see humanity gathered here. You know, and I'm very happy on this too. You know, I've been very, very happy to be in this place. Once more, I'm gonna say salute to local life. I'm gonna say, you know, I'm not here because they would, you know, and I would say that one of the best in this universe. You're the best in this world. Igbo. Our organization, Obi-Ahmed movement, is a pressure and support group with the purpose of installing a Nigerian president of Igbo extract. We believe it is best option for the Igbo and all Nigerians at home and in diaspora now. The aim is to organize an intense pressure group that will eradicate poor leadership through a coalition of good leaders. We have the firm belief that World Igbo Congress will work with us to achieve this body objective. And the in-depth forensic study of development, or rather underdevelopment, in our homeland, Nigeria, right now, and the enlightening speeches by P2B are encouraging in deconstructing the present unacceptable status quo for Igbo people in Nigeria. The Igbo nation is one of the most capable people on earth. Your ingenuity, competence, and tenacity are exemplified by the World Igbo Congress. The Igbo diaspora is highly respected in the homeland for several reasons. From their quest for good leadership to generous remittances for solving financial issues. History will not be complete without recognizing the tempo of agitation you kept up to this moment to better the condition of the Igbo despite spirited opposition. The recent developments at home have made it impossible for us to resist coming to you. There is a movement that is about to change the future of our country. This is not from the elite or the educated, but is driven by frustrated, impoverished, and brutalized masses in Nigeria. The political class that has treated us with careless abandon has no grip on the situation. So it is in our hands now to do something momentous. The Igbo at home and even abroad are presently seen as second-class citizens, subjected to treatment beneath their worth in the socio-political system of the nation. The Southeast region is characterized by bad infrastructure and poor leadership. Our businesses are targeted for punitive measures to subjugate the Igbo to an unacceptable level of humiliation. The Igbo people are harassed daily like people in exile, and the sheer pain and frustration make us to turn on each other. Today, Nigeria is in the process of electing a leader in the name of P2B. And it is only an opportunity for a good leadership. It is a chance for a political solution to our numerous agitations. P2B's presence is the best alternative before us. War, and I repeat, war is not a clever option. We have never been at any table when the destiny of Nigeria is determined from amalgamation to independence. We cannot ignore this moment or miss this opportunity. Our representatives have always been comfortable with playing the second fiddle. This is a chance for the very big prize. We must use it for the best of humanity and the security of our homeland. The Igbo are emasculated despite their immense potentials as is represented in this hall. And we can no longer make living in exile the only option for a good life. It is now time, and I beg you all, it is now time to develop and direct our energy into developing institutions and persons that will make a positive difference. We are appealing to you as a powerful united entity to make one more effort, one more please, to seek equity, unity, and fairness in the body of the nation by helping P2B into Aso Rock. We as a race shall reap immeasurable benefits from this historic achievement. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We have some brochures that have been distributed in the hall. Yeah. And it has our website. And if you want to support our cause, it's up to you guys. And nothing is too small, nothing is too much.